Hello guys, so Xiaomi has posted a picture of comparison between Mi 9 and Huawei P30 Pro in which they are trying to show that the much affordable and the most powerful flagship phone, that is Xiaomi Mi 9 powered by Snapdragon 855, is available for the much lower cost than the Huawei P30. Mi 9 is available for only £500 whereas Huawei P30 is available for £800, that is £300 costlier than Mi 9. So let us compare and see each and every features, who dominates who, and whether Mi 9 is worth of money or P30 worth of money. So let us compare their design first. So talking about the design and display of both the phones, Huawei P30 comes with a teardrop notch display and comes with a 6.1 inch of OLED display with full HD plus resolution, whereas Mi 9 comes with an dot notch display with 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED screen with full HD plus resolution. So there is both the phones performs well in the design and display. So coming to the processor, here the Mi 9 dominates over the Huawei P30. So Mi 9 comes with the Snapdragon 855, the latest Snapdragon processor, the powerful processor in the current time, which is an octa-core processor which is having a speed of 2.84 GHz, whereas Huawei P30 is coming with a Kirin 980 octa-core chipset which is having a speed of 2.6 GHz. So Mi 9 dominates in terms of a processing and speed over Huawei P30. When it comes to camera, there is a tough competition between both the phones. Huawei P30 has got a triple rear camera of 40MP plus 16MP plus 8MP. This is a great camera from Huawei famous for its cameras, that is from Leica. So these Leica lenses performs best and gives the best picture quality, and it has got a huge 32MP of selfie camera, and with its latest AI technology, these phones are taking a very detailed and very neat images. So coming to the camera of Mi 9 has got a triple rear camera of 48MP plus 16MP plus 12MP, and it has got a 20MP of front camera. So Mi 9 has performed well in DxOMark ratings. The video of the Mi 9, the video shot from the Mi 9 has got best ratings in the DxOMark. But when it comes to optical image stabilization, optical zoom, hybrid zoom, Huawei P30 is packed with the great camera features. So here somewhere Huawei P30 in terms of camera will dominate over Mi 9. So next comes to the battery section. Here Mi 9 again dominates over the P30 because P30 is powered by an 3650 mAh of battery, and there is a fast charging, but there is no wireless charging, whereas Mi 9 is powered by an 3300 mAh of battery with fast charging with quick charge 4 plus, and there is a wireless charging too. The Xiaomi claims that it has got a fastest wireless charging with the reverse charging support too. So here in terms of battery, Mi 9 outperforms or dominate over P30. So this is the whole comparison of features, the main features between both the phones. But when it comes to price, as we have seen early in the image that has been posted by Xiaomi only cost you around £500, whereas Huawei P30 will cost you around £800. So Huawei P30 is £300 costlier than Mi 9. In this comparison, we have seen how Mi 9 is dominating over Huawei P30. So I suggest, or what I feel is, going for Mi 9 is the best choice if you have less budget. But if you want best camera, you can spend more money and get Huawei P30. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. Please share this video among your friends. If you like our channel, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.